In this video, I wear a fez. This is the Amazon FBA Profitl shop flipping profit fez hat challenge video. My name is Dan, and unfortunately Joe isn't here this week, so you're stuck with me. He's off in Mexico having I'm sure a good time. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So this video is all about me and Joe competing against each other to find the best Amazon FBA deals. The plot of this video is that we're each gonna pull out a name of a shop from this hat. There's nothing in here right now, but we're each gonna pull out a shop from the hat. Then we each go to our shop, try and find the best Amazon FBA deals within 30 minutes, and whoever can find the best ones wins. At the end of the video, we need you to tell us which one of us you think won the challenge, and then we can put it on the grand leaderboard of versus, because we're slightly competitive here. All right, I have my hat, I have my many choices. I'm gonna go for Joe first. This is gonna be Joe's option. Joe has got Wilco, or Wilkinson's, I guess. I am going to, Sainsbury's. Ooh. All right, we're gonna cut to us in the shops now, talking to you about our Amazon FBA deals with some nice little music, nice little montage. Enjoy.
So hamster wheel, selling 122.70 a month, selling under for £11, 32% ROI, only one FBA seller. Beautiful. This is a good one. 30 to 90 sales, 82 reviews, selling on Amazon for £8.29. We're buying it for £2.50. 44% ROI. Only 2 FBA sellers. Lovely stuff.
Don't forget, we have an exclusive YouTube discount code that you could use right now to get 20% off your monthly subscription at Profitl, or you can get 5% off your yearly subscription at Profitl by using these codes. Enjoy.
You got there, Dan?
So it's this Tresemme Kelmousse, £5.50, sells 90 to 210, 75% return on investment, £4.15 estimated profit per unit, only 3 FBA sellers.
Nice.
It's looking like a really good one. Now, pro tip, don't go for the ones that's already open.
Yeah.
Go for these ones. So these are some churros, hope you're hungry. 0 to 30, not too bad, 30%, 38% return on investment, 76 pence, not too bad. 13 FBA sellers, which isn't great, but it'll do. found this Minecraft creeper selling for $4.67 on clearance, and it's going for $11.99. 180 to 390 sales, 47% return investment, £2.20 profit, and it's only got one other FBA seller. Right. I am very happy with this. Very happy with
Well
it.
done.
So you just saw us going through the shops. Hopefully you enjoyed that, because I edited it, so hopefully you did. Let me know in the comments if you like the editing, by the way, because I work very hard on it. Thanks. So Joe ended up with 2 different products and I ended up with 3, but that doesn't mean I've necessarily got the best amount. What do you think? Did Joe have the best ones or did I have the best ones? Let me know in the comments and we will read them and we will reply to them. We do our best to go through all the comments, by the way, so if you do have some things that you would like us to make videos on, or if you would just like to leave some constructive criticism about the video so that we can improve and get better and do all that, that would be great too. We'd love to hear from you. Make sure to smash the like button, oh god, we're turning into YouTubers. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for some more Amazon FBA guides and videos, and we will see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.